going to the beach today with Saul, Jenny, and Lizette. So yeah, I'm gonna try to vlog today. We're gonna go get food first. Okay, so we go Starbucks.
You got a straw?
Yeah, I know.
Cheers.
Get it? Yeah, can you get the straw?
I'm recording through your phone. Ya llegamos, guys, to the beach. All of our stuff. Good. It's gonna come right now. Guys, we're sitting down, chilling. Hold on, we're looking at the She's drinking. I'm drinking. You're drinking Saul? Oh. Wait.
Dude, Heidi, you put that shit on my nose.
Saul? Okay, guys, so we're drinking juice. We got juice right there. And we have blueberries, cherries, and strawberries. And then Lizette, can I record you? Lizette trajo mac and cheese, but without forks. So,
We're gonna eat like animals. We're gonna eat like animals.
hey guys, update. Jenny está aquí. She's cold. So is Liz. Princess's camera shy. I have a blueberry for my teeth. And yeah, we're here. That's the ocean. We went in earlier, but now, yeah. Oh, for the thumbnail. Not for Jenny. I really look so hungry. It's like all over the place. Hold on. Or at least get like a cute angle. You need like. No, that's the words. I don't want it. Oh, you're like sick. I'm gonna say something so long that you haven't been in any of them. It's good to be back. We're guys, finally. We're thriving and better than ever. Heidi, at least smile. We're thriving and better than ever. More vlogs to come soon. And yeah, pretty much it. Comment down below. Comment down below what you guys want to see. Oh, and Lizette started an OnlyFans for her toes. Oh yeah, her dog. If you want to go check it out, it's Luna My Pup 12. This pick is free, and then you have to pay each week about 20 bucks. Gotta be supporters, not fans, you know? Exactly. Just use the code Heidi. Heidi is 69. And you'll get 50% off. Exactly. And that's all you need to hear. Bye. Look at my phone. My hair's a mess, guys. I know I didn't record this. It's gonna be like a 1 minute video, but it's okay.
Yeah. ¿Dónde?
Please.
Voy a Sana.
Today was good. It was cold.
Para ver dónde pongo la dirección. Do you guys want to go eat somewhere over there?
We made sushi. I'm passing the phone to the person that gave us a ride.
My girlfriend.
I'm passing the phone to someone with sunglasses.
I'm passing the phone to the person that finished all the fun juice.
I'll pass the phone to the weekend lover.
Sushi.
I'm passing the phone to someone whose head smells like the ocean. What did she say? What did she say? What did she say?
I'm scared.
I don't know. We'll have to find out on the YouTube video.
Tu mano.
We'll pass the phone to the couple. Sorry, Jen. Guys, this is my food. Saul. Jenny's allá. Oh. Lizette. Yeah, we're gonna dig in, guys. Bye. Really?
What?
Please get in it. We haven't taken a picture together. Saul. Oh, it's a video. Oh. Guys, we came to get boba. Saul invitó. He looks beautiful. These are our bones. Oh my god, I forgot a vlog. Guys, roasting water, and then that's where we got our sushi. And now we're here.